Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you 5 ways, alright, yes, you listened correctly, 5 ways you guys can congratulate somebody. Let's go! So the first one right here, it's pretty easy, it's je te félicite. Yes, so in French, when you guys want to congratulate somebody, je te félicite. C'est ton réussi, no? Quelque chose que tu as fait, you guys can congratulate like that. If you guys wanna do or be a little bit more polite, you guys can say je vous félicite. Bravo. The second way you guys can congratulate someone is by saying chapeau, like this one, pour toi. Okay, well, this is a cap, right? Like a chapeau is like the Rangers, but it's like similar, like this gesture, chapeau pour toi, chapeau pour vous, you know, plus formel. C'est ça. The third expression, everybody, is c'est bien mérité. C'est bien mérité. For example, if someone after studying a lot got a grade A, oh wow, c'est bien mérité. No, félicitations, c'est ça. The fourth expression, everybody, is c'est super ta réussite. C'est super ta réussite. For example, if this is the first time someone is cooking and it was pretty good, oh, you can say c'est super bien ta réussite. And the fifth and last expression when you want to congratulate someone is te le meilleur. Or in a formal way, vous êtes le meilleur. Te le meilleur, vous êtes le meilleur. This is it, this is all. I hope you guys liked this video. This was about expressions so you guys can congratulate somebody. So let's recap super fast. When you want to congratulate, je te félicite. Chapeau, like this one, pour toi. C'est bien mérité. C'est super ta réussite. Te le meilleur. We can use one or the other. Okay, so you decide which one. Okay, because when you are happy for someone, like words come out naturally. Thank you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to share it with people that are also learning French. Bye bye.